All right, next step after rebuilding the climate control, I bought a floor shifter, factory floor shifter. It was a 3-speed. I ended up putting a 4-speed detent bracket in there. This one is for sale. Somebody want to buy it. And because when I got the car, it came with this B&M floor shifter, so I already had a console, got it painted up, installing. This car didn't come with floor shift in it, so I made a bracket out of some 1 3/16 stainless steel plate, put it in the vise, bent it up, made me a little template so I can get it how I want to. These little bends and stuff. I got it going on a tunnel right there, and I got the little bend. You can see I had a hole, I think, right here, and it was off. You can see that hole and that hole back there lining up. This hole was off. I guess I hit it in the wrong spot, and I started there. So now I got it. You see I got a D on there for driver's side, I got a P on there for passenger side, got the front with the arrow, so I know if I have to take it off, which way it need to go on. I'm gonna kind of remember now, because seeing I may have to look back at this video or something. This side have 2 holes, so that's kind of like a witness mark for me, I guess. But yeah, I got it in. You can see I looked at I think it's Hutcher Perf. I can't think of his name. I follow his build. He's doing a Cutlass 442. I think it's actually a Hurst O's. He putting a 455 in there, and he had this shifter too. So I went and looked at his video. I cut out that piece right there was going across. I'm gonna have to cut again. I didn't want to cut the whole piece, so I'm gonna cut right there, right with my fingers pointing. You see I drill that hole right there because, like I said, this car didn't have the bracket, being the console shifter. And if it did, where this little curve at right here, it goes on this little brace here. Mine is not gonna go there. It's gonna be kind of sitting on that brace. So what it was kind of, it wasn't laying flat at the front. So that hole there, I got a screw that's gonna be going in there. That's gonna sit down in that and sit in there already, and drill that hole in there, know which mark is gonna be. So now to shift like I wanted to. But this just a little progress. Then I got the little 4-speed indicator. This was a 3-speed, like I said, the floor shifter was a 3-speed in the console. So it's gonna go in there. I already tested, so it's gonna line up like it needs to be. So this it right here, man. Getting it done. More to come. Stay tuned.